Hi everyone, this is Nathan from the Food Lab. I'm going to show you today how to make microwavable artsy pancakes. So, to start off with your ingredients, you will need 1 cup of wheat flour, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 cup of buttermilk. I don't have buttermilk, so I used milk and some lemon juice, 1 egg, a pinch of salt, and then for the artsy part, you're gonna need some food coloring. And then if you have butter or nonstick spray, that will help for when you put it in the microwave. So, first things first, you're gonna mix all the dry ingredients together. Then, for the wet stuff, you're gonna mix all the wet stuff. In this case, it's just your 3/4 cup of milk, 1 egg. Then again, use a fork or a whisk, mix together all your wet stuff. Now, you are going to combine your wet and dry. The key is to leave some lumps for your pancakes, but you don't want to leave any pockets of dry flour. What I will do next is take some plastic bags and slowly spoon some of the pancake batter into the plastic bag, and then add food coloring afterwards.
This is like red, pink, food coloring.
Then you're gonna need a pair of scissors to cut a small snip out of the corner of the bag. All you're gonna do is cut the corner. All right, grab your plate. Let's do a H for Harvard. Let's try that.
Non-stick spray. That's still really good. Oh, that was awesome.
All right, this is gonna go in the microwave for 30 seconds. Now we have our beautiful H. You can all do way better than that. Now I will put the rest of my normal colored pancake batter and just make a whole pancake around it on top. All right, now we have our bigger pancake, and this is going in the microwave for 1 minute. So this has been in the microwave for 1 minute, and then it's cooled for a few minutes. It's definitely super hot out of the microwave. Don't try and touch it. But now, I know this is not a very good circle. You guys can all do better than this. But let's hope this works. There's our Harvard pancake. Feel free to top it with any fruits you want. Bananas, strawberries, blueberries, all classics. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you all have a happy Thanksgiving.